When I think about OFWs, I think about their extraordinary strength, their determination, their dedication, the sacrifice and love that they have for their family. They embody what it means to sacrifice and persevere. It's only fitting that we give them the care and support that they deserve in return. Since its inauguration in 2022, the OFW Hospital in Pampanga has stood as a testament to our commitment to care for, and our commitment for them to be cared for by us, and not only for themselves, but also for their families. From January to May of this year, the Philippine Statistics Authority ranked cancer as the second leading cause of death now in the Philippines. And this is why the hospital's second floor will be dedicated to the Bagong Pilipinas Cancer Care Center. While the vision is clear, we acknowledge that work remains to be done to ensure that this facility will be equipped to serve those who are in need. Sa aming minamahal na OFWs, ang karagdagang pasilidad na ito ay para po sa inyo, sa inyong pamilya. Hindi naman natin hinahangad na maggamit ninyo ito. Ngunit mas makakahinga tayo kung maluwag kung alam natin na may matatakbuhan na ospital ang ating mga OFW sa oras ng inyong pangangailangan. Naway ang cancer care na ito ay maging simbolo ng ating mas magandang kinabukasan, kung saan ang sakripisyo ng ating mga OFW ay masuklian, ang kanilang pangarap ay mabigyang katuparan, at ang kanilang kalusugan ay pinapahalagahan. Together, we will build a bagong Pilipinas that is strong, that is prosperous, that is compassionate.
Ito ay bunsod ng matagal na rin pagsusuri na marami mga OFWs na talagang ang illness nila is cancer. No? They have served for a long time abroad, and for one reason or another, perhaps stress and yung mga dinanas nila bilang OFWs, eventually they become afflicted with cancer. So added to this, ang ating mahal na Secretary Susan Toots Ople, bago siya pumano, talagang habilin niya. Make sure na dito sa ating OFW Hospital, merong susunod na proyekto, which is yung pagtatayo ng cancer care facility. And of course, the President gave his full support. And andito na tayo ngayon. The day has finally arrived. The dream has been realized. Kasi mas marami tayong mapaglilingkuran ngayon. Makakatutok na tayo dun sa illness, which is one of the major illnesses afflicting yung mga OFWs. And not only that, even yung dependents nila. There will be around 300, estimated 300 a day capable of being served dun sa initial structure that will be built. And then as we go along, we will add more facilities and structures around the cancer care facility so we could serve more. But at this stage, when it starts operations in 2026, that's around 300 a day na pwede maserbisyohan itong cancer care facility specific to the illness of cancer. Our message is yung patuloy na pagkalinga at pagpaparamdam ng serbisyo ng bagong Pilipinas ng ating mahal na Pangulo, kung saan pinahatid natin ang serbisyo to as many and as close as we can, no? Where the OFWs are, kaya dito nga tayo sa San Fernando, Pampanga, nandoon tayo para paglingkuran yung mga OFWs na nangangailangan. So makakasiguro po kayo na dito sa bagong Pilipinas patuloy, hindi tayo hihinto until ganap natin matulungan ng lahat para lalo na sa mga nagkakasakit na mga OFWs and their families.